In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paste to replace in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to quickly copy text from one place and replace it somewhere else without disrupting your layout. This is perfect for swapping headlines, labels, or placeholder copy while keeping your design tidy. First, head to figma.com in your browser and open your workspace. You'll land on the home area where your work is organized. To make it easy to find what you need, click on all projects to see everything you have access to in one view. This helps you avoid digging through recent files and ensures you're working in the right file. Next, select the project you want to work in and click to open it. That takes you into the file where you can see the canvas and your layers. Give it a second to load so all fonts and components are ready. Now find the first text you want to copy, click on that text to select it. If you want to copy just the written content, it can help to double-click to enter text editing and make sure the cursor is inside the text. Press Ctrl+C to copy. If you're on a Mac, use Command+C. Copying here captures exactly what you want to reuse, whether that's a short label or a full paragraph. Move to the second text that you want to replace. Click it to select. And again, if your goal is to replace the content inside that existing text layer, double-click so you're editing that text directly. This ensures the paste goes into the layer instead of creating a new object on top. If your cursor is inside the text, you're in the right place. You can also highlight the current content if you want it fully overwritten. With the destination ready, press Ctrl+V to paste or Command+V on a Mac. You'll see the copied text appear, replacing the previous content in that layer. The nice thing about doing it this way is that the destination text keeps its position, constraints, and sizing. In most cases, it also keeps the styling of the destination, which helps maintain consistency across your design. If anything looks off, just press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo and try again, making sure you're in text editing mode before pasting. That's the whole workflow. Open your project, copy the source text, select the target text, and paste to replace. It's a small habit that saves time, prevents accidental layer duplication, and keeps your file clean. Practice it a few times, and it will become second nature as you iterate on content throughout your designs.